Ladies and gentlemen, cowboys and cowgirls, campers and glampers, welcome to the pinnacle of roughing it without, actually roughing it. That's right. I've just spent a few days at Westgate River Ranch Resort and Rodeo in River Ranch, Florida, a place where the wild frontier meets luxury sheets and where the only thing you'll be wrangling is your morning coffee service delivered right to your tent door by a personal concierge. Yep, I said personal concierge, because nothing screams authentic camping and foraging experience like someone bringing you caffeine on a silver platter while you rock in a chair under fairy lights next to your king-size bed in a climate-controlled comfort cocoon. And it's not only coffee that they bring. I also got pastries and fresh fruit delivered right to my door. Now, the fine folks at Westgate River Ranch invited me out to stay and check out their totally unique resort. Yes, a real functioning dude ranch, where you can do everything from pet goats to ride airboats to go horseback riding into the great outdoors. And while there are plenty of videos on this channel showing off all of those activities, because obviously I did them all, for science, today, we're focusing on just one very important piece of the Cowboy Luxe puzzle, the Luxe Glamping Tent. We're going to take a detailed look inside in just a moment, but as you can see, this is not your childhood summer camp tent where you woke up with ants in your socks and a raccoon stealing your toothpaste. No, sir. This is 505 square feet of air-conditioned wilderness paradise. It's got a king bed with luxury linens, because if you're going to pretend to be a pioneer, you might as well sleep like royalty, right? And with an additional pull-out sofa, it sleeps four. This tent has a microwave, a mini fridge, and, wait for it, a full walk-in shower. You're in the woods, but also in a spa, nature and plumbing. Finally, unity. It also comes with a golf cart to make it easy to get around the resort. Just hop on and go. It's fantastic. It's convenient. It's also kind of an amusement ride. All right, so we're going to look at some cool things outside of the cabin here. First, you'll notice that they come with their own little barbecue pit. Yes, and it's nice and clean. You can cook your own food out here and not have to worry about going to the restaurant and stuff like that. Just cook right out here in your cabin. Up here, we're going to take a look at where breakfast is delivered to you. Breakfast is delivered every morning inside here. They put it in here so the bugs and animals can't get to it. And then right over here, there is an ice chest, which they come by and fill up with ice in case you need it inside the cabin. So let's go on inside and check it out. Now we are inside the Luxe Glamping Tent. I call it a cabin, but it's really a tent. As you can see in here, it's just a giant tent that they've built stuff in. It is so cool in here. And you'll notice that the walls have, they're the tent walls. They have the zippers and things on them that if you want to get fresh air, you can zip these down and open up, and it's got the mesh netting right there to let the air in. Very, very cool. It's also got it at the front in case you want to do that with the front door. It has these really cool little bedside table lamps that are made like lanterns. I love this. King-size bed. Over here is it's a couch, but it's also a fold-away bed so that you can sleep more people there. On this side of the bed, there is the little dining area, and it comes with s'mores. It's a s'more pack that you can go up to the fire pit and make s'mores. We're going to do that later. Very, very cool. Also, over here in your kitchen type area, there is a mini fridge in here. You've also got a Keurig machine with assorted teas and coffees. There's a microwave. Up here, you have real glassware. to drink out of. In this other cabinet, you have a toaster and real coffee cups to drink out of instead of those little paper ones you get in hotels. There's also underneath, there is a safe under there where you can store your goodies, as well as a fire extinguisher. Little bedside storage areas. You'll notice it's got another window over here that unzips. So cool. Now, let's go behind the bed and check out the bathroom area. Come on. So over here is the bathroom area. And this is just so cool to know that this is like just part of a tent. It's so cool. You have some hangers here that you can put bathrobes on or towels, things like that. Over here is the shower. We'll look in the shower. You'll see that there is some shampoo and conditioner that comes with it. It's a nice sizable shower. And then out here is the double sinks, so a couple people can get ready at the same time. Also got lots of towels, things like that under there. You've got more soap and conditioner, shampoo, things like that. And then across the way over here, behind this very cool sliding door, is the bathroom. And it is, standard bathroom. We've got some horses above the toilet, and there you go. Yeah, standard bathroom. So, but very cool just to think this is all inside a tent. It's a tent with air conditioning and all this stuff. How cool is that? I have almost figured out how to lay in one of these without falling out of it. I just have to stay really still. Let's talk about one of my favorite parts. Every night, like clockwork, a Westgate staff member appears from the forest mist like a majestic s'mores fairy to light your personal campfire. That's right, you don't even have to light your own fire. You're essentially camping with a butler. A fire butler. What a time to be alive. And when that fire is lit, it's s'mores time, baby. They give you a s'mores kit with the whole mouth-watering ensemble. Graham crackers, marshmallows, chocolate squares, and sticks for roasting. If you've never had a marshmallow so perfectly gooey that it melts your soul while you slap it between chocolate and a cracker under the stars, I'm sorry, but you've been doing life all wrong. Go fix that immediately. This place is one of the most unique getaways you will ever experience. It's like camping for people who love nature, but not enough to give up running water, central air, or turn-down service. So here's a quick rundown. Real tent, real outdoors, real luxury, zero survival skills, unless you count surviving how many s'mores you can eat without shame. So a huge thank you to Westgate River Ranch Resort and Rodeo for hosting my stay. You've ruined my regular tent stays forever. So if you want to experience this cowboy chic fantasy for yourself, head over to their website and book a stay. You deserve to glamp like a champ. And don't forget to check out all the other videos on this channel showing the airboats, the swamp buggy rides, the brand new water park that's opened, and other wild experiences you can find here at the ranch. And also, like this video if you've ever considered setting a tent on fire just to get out of camping. Subscribe for more weird adventures and luxury nonsense. And leave a comment and tell me, would you glamp in the woods? Or are you more of a Holiday Inn next to a Denny's type? So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.